I've been quite busy since I last uploaded, and also my throat has been a bit sore these past few days, hence my voice. But enough about that, we're here to talk about my new 5th gen gun. And here it is, smaller, lighter and more powerful than ever before. One of the big things about the 5th gen gun is that the cocking system is way more smoother than my 4th gen, and for its size it packs a big punch. So what happens from now? Well, my next video is going to be the pinball machine that you saw in the corner, and from this small demonstrator I was thinking to build the MA5C assault rifle from Halo Wars. I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and well, that's all I've got for this video, so it would be nice if you hit that like and subscribe. Alright, until next time.